Existing towel dispensers can be retrofitted to accept the enMotion 10-inch automated touchless paper towel dispenser from GP Pro. To recess your dispenser 4 inches into an existing cabinet, use the custom panel order form. Tools needed for this retrofit are a cordless drill, hammer, chisel, punch, measuring tape, pliers, 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch drill bits, and Phillips number 10 pan head self-tapping screws. Open the door. Using a cordless drill and either a 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch drill bit, begin to drill out the door hinge spot welds or rivets. Using a hammer and chisel, remove the hinge and door from the cabinet. Remove the interior metal guides and brackets. Remove the paper tray. The cabinet is now ready for installation. Insert the dispenser and filler panel into the cabinet. Using 3/4 inch pan head self-tapping screws, attach dispenser and filler panel to the back of the cabinet.